FITMAX.ai, the intelligent nutrition platform for personal trainers. Designed for fitness professionals who want to deliver high-quality meal plans without wasting time on calculations. Generate complete nutrition plans in minutes, fully personalized to each client's goals, cutting, bulking, or body recomposition. Automatically adjusted to their training routine, caloric expenditure, and dietary preferences. Access an unlimited library of performance-optimized recipes with detailed nutritional information. Create your own recipes with automatic macronutrient calculations, or let artificial intelligence generate the perfect options for whatever phase your client is in. Advanced tools that make the difference. A nutritional food comparison tool, weight and body progress tracking, a barcode scanner for fast and accurate food logging, and visual weekly planning. Everything you need to build the optimal plan in seconds. Deliver professional plans exported as branded PDFs, automatic calendar sync to your phone or your clients, instantly generated shopping lists, and manage all your clients from a single platform, ad-free and with priority support. FITMAX.ai complements your expertise as a trainer. Less time calculating macros, more time transforming lives. Take your service to the next level